Okay.
It's like a video game.
Well, fellow turkey hunters, today I would like to show you deadly Clucks and Purrs. And New York's going to open up May 1st, and New Jersey's going to open up April 22nd. So I'm set, and I'll show you how to do the Clucks and Purrs on the friction coils. And we'll start with this one here, slate over glass resonator. Okay, these are quavers right here. They sound like 3 fast purrs. That's a quaver. One more time, quavers, 3 fast purrs. Right on the edge of the pot. Okay. My next pot is just a single slate over wood. The Woodsman, Cody the Woodsman. And same thing, towards the edge of the pot here. Sometimes I do 2 purrs and then a cluck. Okay, going on to on this one here. This is actually glass over slate. This is the Cutter Supreme from the American Wild Turkey Society. And we'll start with the glass side first. A little higher pitched. And the reverse side, the slate, it's going to sound a little deeper. And there you have it. Deadly Clucks and Purrs. Definitely use it as your finisher. And good luck in the upcoming spring turkey season in New York, New Jersey. Thanks for watching.